Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on your Redmi 13. To reset your network settings, go into Settings, here into More Connectivity Options, then scroll down to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Then you can tap on Reset Options. You'll have to draw your pattern and then confirm. Afterwards, it will of course have reset all of your network settings, forgot all of your Wi-Fi networks, unpaired you from all of your Bluetooth devices. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.